If you have life insurance, you probably noticed that agents ask a lot of questions, but it has nothing to do with us being nosy. It has to do with the fact that we need a good amount of health information and finance-related information so that we can better assist you. So at number 5, we have an excuse that we typically get from people who are new to life insurance. Take a look. So I'm gonna need to ask you some health questions before I can give you the most accurate quote. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any major medical conditions such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes?
No.
High blood pressure, high cholesterol?
No, ma'am.
How about any issues with anxiety, depression? Do you take any medications?
Nope. I don't have any of that, and I don't put any of that junk medicine in my body. I'm super healthy.
Do you smoke?
Yes, cigarettes only. Is that going to be a problem?
Well, it's not a problem, but I'll have to quote you as a smoker.
Does that mean I'm going to have to pay more?
The rate will be higher than a non-smoker, yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to wait until I quit. Can you call me back in 6 months?
Sir, how long have you been smoking for?
I don't know, 20 years.
So you're going to quit now just like that? After 20 years of smoking? I mean, what if something happens in the next 6 months, God forbid?
Nothing's going to happen to me in 6 months. Tell you what, I'll call you back in 6 months. Really, I'm going to quit.
Okay, so are you going to take it out in 6 months even if you don't quit? Hello? Not everyone is trying to maximize wealth, and some people are just not interested in leaving a large financial legacy to their heirs. I get that. The word rich means different things to different people. Now, I think you can all agree with me that in excuse number 4, some people can take the concept of being rich a little bit too far. For this one, I had my coworker Dorian help me out. Check it out. So which one do you want, sir? The $100,000 policy or the $200,000 one?
No. I want the $100,000 policy. I ain't trying to make my kids rich with no $200,000.
Sir, you have 5 kids. That's $40,000 a piece if you take the $200,000. That's not gonna make anybody rich.
Well, I just don't want them to get lazy and think they're just gonna get this money and not have to do anything with their life.
Sir, it's $40,000 a piece.
Look here, lady. I ain't raising no trust fund babies. My kids need to know what the definition of hard work is. When they think of their father, they need to think of what their father did to make his income, whether it be putting their hands in the grease, taking apart the car and putting it back together. See, these are things they need to understand, whether it be helping the cows at the barn. You just gotta make sure that they're learning, not just taking. You know what I mean?
I get it if you don't understand insurance the way I do. I don't understand surgery or plumbing or dental implants the way you do. I also understand if you were a big athlete or a celebrity or even a big shot CEO. I understand how excuse number 3 would make sense to you. Otherwise, nah, I don't get it. Take a look.
No, you've answered everything. I like the first option.
So now that you have all the information you need and you found a policy you like, all we have to do is fill out an application and get the process started.
Well, first, I would like for you to send me the application so I can give it to my attorney so he can review it.
You need an attorney to look at a life insurance application?
Yeah, I mean, I believe everything you're telling me. I just want to make sure.
Make sure of?
That everything you're telling me is there in the paper?
So you're going to pay a $350 an hourly rate for an attorney to look at a life insurance application for a $60
Oh,
month
no.
policy.
I'm not paying anything. My buddy Paul's an attorney. I see him every Tuesday morning at the coffee shop. He'll look it over for me for free. I won't pay for anything.
I respect attorneys very much. I have clients that are attorneys, but I know what they're going to say. They're going to say, you need to talk to somebody who knows this stuff, like an agent.
I just feel more comfortable. It's better to be safe than sorry, right?
Sir, we don't even know if they're going to approve you.
Exactly.
I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with the network, but sometimes I talk to people and I go back in time when I used to watch Lifetime movies with my mom and endless marathons of unsolved mysteries with Robert Stack. That's enough promo for Lifetime right now, but when you watch excuse number 2, you'll get what I mean.
Yeah, I want to move forward with the whole life policy. Now, do I have to tell my wife how much insurance I have?
Well, you don't have to, but you may want to let her know so that you guys can plan accordingly for any financial concerns that will rise upon you passing.
Well, what if she kills me?
Sir?
You know, if she knows how much she can get from the insurance company if I were to die, she might want to get that money and go off with her new boyfriend and do a bunch of crazy things. I mean, there's movies about these kind of things.
There's something called the Slayer Rule, which is a common law of inheritance that stops somebody from profiting from murder. I can assure you, if the insurance company had any suspicion of a crime, they will investigate.
But it can't happen.
Anything can happen.
What if they can't prove that she murdered me? What if she hires a hitman to kill me? What if they make it look like an accident? What if her new boyfriend does it?
I don't know. I wouldn't be married to somebody who made me fear stuff like this.
You know, you got to think about these kind of things.
Do you? I had to leave this one for last because honestly, it's way too epic. I don't even know what to say, so you're just gonna have to watch and see. This policy you're looking to get is very simple. It's a term life policy. If you were to pass away at any given time during the next 20 years, the death benefit would be paid to your beneficiaries.
To who?
Your beneficiaries, sir. I think you said you wanted 70% to go to your wife and 30% to your daughter.
Well, then how much do I get?
I'm sorry, what?
Go through this with me one more time.
Okay, so you pay the monthly premium or quarterly or yearly, however you want to do that, and then when the time comes that you pass, the beneficiaries submit a claim to the insurance company, and then within a few weeks they get the death benefit.
And they get the death benefit?
Right, and make sure to keep my business card with the policy. That way, when the time comes, I can help them with the claim process during that very difficult time.
Difficult time? Let me get this straight.
Okay.
You mean I have to die for this thing to pay?
Yes, sir. That's why they call it the death benefit.
Well, that's not going to work. What's in it for me?
If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and also click the subscribe button for more. If you are in the industry, I want to hear what is the funniest excuse you've heard. So please go to the comment section and share it with us. Also, thank you to my coworker, Joe Winter, who was a trooper and helped me with this video. And if you are looking for an insurance quote or you want some help or need some information, go to the description box and I'll be putting there some links and direct contact info so you can reach out to me and we can better assist you. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching and until the next video.